Here come the horses to eat apples. That horse is Wren, and she's looking for an apple. They found some apples that the goats left. This is, who is that? That's Ombre right there. And that one right there is Phoenix. And that one that just walked, that's in the middle. Oop. Those two are sisters. There is Tucson, or known as Tusi. Look at, they're trying to get the apples. They love looking for apples that have fallen off the trees. They come here a couple times a day. They're eating grass. Horses are herbivores, and they eat only vegetables and grass and plants. This morning they had a bunch of carrots. For dinner they get hay. For breakfast they get grain. And for treats they love apples.